Right, afternoon people. I'm going to do a review, or well, a bit of a review on one of these 2-in-1 chain sharpeners from Jono and Jono. They're pretty bloody nifty. I've been using chainsaws for a number of years, almost 20 now, and I always sort of scoffed at people that used them, but I thought, oh well, I'll give it a try and see what it's like. And last 6 months I've been using one, and to be honest, I'm pretty impressed. So I thought I'd do a bit of a thing on it and how to use it. And yeah, alright, well, this is a old beat to hell semi-chisel 404 on a 30-inch bar, mounted on a old 076. So this chain ain't much chop. It sort of cut everything it shouldn't and still goes. So anyway, alright, so basically your flat file there for your acres, and then your 7/32 or 3/16 or 5/32 or whatever it is that's there. This little flat rod sits on the top of your tooth. That'd be, oh, in this case it's facing that way, and that bar there sits on the tooth in front of it, and away you go. I don't overly follow the angles that are on chains or guides or anything like that, but roughly 3 strokes I find it ample sufficient to do what I need. Admittedly the chain's not too bad, but that's cleaned up the edge, cleaned up that top plate edge. So it's got this top plate edge here, it's got that top corner, it's got down along that face, it's gone right down into your gullet here, or well, call it your gullet, or right down, so you've got sufficient amount of what they call hook or parrot's beak, and it's also adjusted the rakers to the right height. Admittedly, in a production setting I wouldn't do this, but cutting firewood, even ripping fence posts, I find this quite good. Only takes a couple of minutes to sort of run over. The only issue that I've got here with this is when you've got, and it won't work on skip tooth chain, but as you can see here, because it's a 91 drive link chain, there's no tooth here in this middle bit for that top plate to rest on, but you can sort of, once you've had a bit of experience with it, you sort of get to know where it's going to sit. It's relatively easy. I find it very efficient anyway, for my purpose. Even my missus sharpens pencils with this, and she doesn't. She's by no means that way inclined, but that's that side done. So I can turn this big Ura around. run over the other side and show you to go with that filing jig, how you turn everything around, and go from there. So you slide that back, you gotta slide that back, you gotta turn that file around to do the other side, and then you've also got to turn your round file around too. Could be considered a pest, but one thing I will say, it ensures the rakers stay at that one height, and yeah, pretty bloody good. Anyway, we'll get on to this other side. You can definitely tell where this chain was previously hand filed without a guide and without a raker gauge, where the raker heights are considerably different on each tooth. That's more me being in a rush or just being rough. Probably more me being rough. Bring that back so you can see it. Bit of a hard tooth, that one. Bit of a hard tooth. Alright, we're almost at the end of these. And I can tell you what, I ain't done too good of a job of keeping all this even either. Going free handy, but anyway, don't use the combination much, so I think we're cutting pretty well last time I used it, and we're almost there. Almost there. Alright, we are there. So, there we have it. One sharp saw chain. I'll just bring it over. You can have a bicky steak at that. So you can see here up against my dirty old finger where it's hit them rakers, and if I had a better setup, well, you might be able to see it from here. Scroll down. Nah, light's not good enough. My camera skills ain't good enough. Hey, so there it is. The old 2-in-1 bloody file jig from John at Chainsaw Spares. Pretty good bloody bit of gear. $35 or $36. That's the 732nd. Good buying. Alright, thanks guys.